Shri Ramlal purchased a TV set for 12,500 and spent 300 on transportation and 800 on installation. At what price should he sell it so as to earn an overall profit of 15%? Alright, so we need to find total CP first, that is total cost price. It would be cost of the television first, then the transportation cost, and then the installation cost. Alright, so cost of the TV is how much? 12,500 plus transportation cost is 300 and installation cost is 800, and this comes out to be how much? 13,600. Alright, and now at what price should he sell it to so as to earn an overall profit of 15%? That means what should be the selling price? And it's a profit of 15%. That means he must be selling it, he should be selling it at 115% of cost price. Cost price is 13,600. 0 0 0 0 gets cancelled, so 115 into 136, and I have already calculated this value. The value comes out to be 15,640. This is the selling price. All right, and this is our required answer. So none of the option satisfies, so E, none of this is the option, the correct option, none of this, and the answer would be 15,640. all right.